Hi guys, welcome to your 18th tutorial on PHP, and in here we're going to be looking at loops. So we start off with the while loop. We have a variable, we give it a value of 1. While the variable is less than 5, we want to echo this statement out, okay? And then we want to increment it. So here, first of all, let's do it, print that. Add 1 to it, so it's 2 less than 5, yes it is. Add 1 again, 3, 4, blah blah blah, okay? Simple enough. So I'm going to go in and refresh this page. Don't mind this, I was just doing something else before this. There you go. And we get it 4 times because that's how many times it is less, right? If I put this in as 10, now we know that 10 ain't less than 5, so I'm going to be expecting no output from this folder now. There you go, nothing, okay? I'm going to try it one more time. We go 10 less than 15. Or we go 10 less than, yeah, we'll go 10. There's no point going through every single less than, equal to, greater than. We all know what they are. And you can look at them yourself anyway. So it should be working again. Yes, we get another 5. Okay, so that's simple enough. Okay, so join me in the next one, guys, and we're going to look at the do while statement. Alright, take care. See you then. Bye bye.